Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has denied suppressing the Kumbh deaths. Yogi Adityanath says all deaths can't be linked to Mahakumbh. Only one stampede victim was unidentified. 800 devotees died in the previous Kumbh, says Yogi Adityanath. Earlier, the government lathi charged Kumbh devotees, is what Yogi Adityanath has said. The Chief Minister is speaking in the Assembly. Let's take a listen.
इस एकता के सूत्र में जोड़ने का कार्य तो किया, डिजिटल कुंभ पे भी प्रश्न खड़ा हो रहा है। और महोदय मैं इसके बारे में भी आपसे चर्चा करूं, इसके बारे में मैं सदन का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा कि दुष्प्रचार की अपनी एक सीमा होती है। दुष्प्रचार की अपनी एक सीमा होती है और कितना दुष्प्रचार हमारे विपक्ष के मित्रगण करेंगे। मैं देख के भौचक हूं कि कैसे ये लोग पूरी व्यवस्था को झुठलाने का काम कर रहे थे और किस प्रकार की व्यवस्था पैदा करने का काम कर रहे थे। इसमें
The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister there denying the suppressing deaths in Mahakumbh. All deaths can't be linked to Mahakumbh is what he said. I'm going to go straight across to Samar for more details on that. Samar, the number one charge of the opposition has been about the fact that there aren't 30 deaths. There are many more, and that there have been many more stampedes as well is what is being said. No figures being given out, correct me if I'm wrong, by the Chief Minister, but he says all the deaths can't be linked to the Mahakumbh, to the stampede, I mean.
Exactly, Neha. I must tell you that Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has clearly denied all those things, all those allegations being made by opposition parties, especially Samajwadi Party, that the numbers that were given by the UP government of that stampede that happened on 29th are wrong. So that's the claim by UP CM. He says that 30 persons lost their lives and around 60 devotees were injured, out of which 30 lost their lives. One is still admitted in the hospital. While all were identified, one person was missing, was in a way, and that's why his DNA sample was collected, and later he was cremated by the administration and the police present there. And he even claimed that many families did not want the post-mortem of the bodies, and that's why under the watch of the magistrate present there, they handed over the body to those families without the post-mortem thing, because many families believed that they have gone for the Mahakumbh at the sacred place, and now after coming at that place when they have lost their life, there is no need of any post-mortem. So on the basis of these families, they denied doing post-mortem of many of the dead bodies. So also he took heavily on Akhilesh Yadav and slammed Akhilesh Yadav, saying that Akhilesh was once questioning Mahakumbh and later on he went to Mahakumbh, took the holy dip without informing anybody. He thought that people won't know about this, but in the era of social media, nothing could be hidden. He even took pot shots at Shivpal Singh Yadav and said that Akhilesh Yadav in a way once again backstabbed his uncle Shivpal Yadav, and without taking him to Mahakumbh, he went alone and took the holy dip. So these were the claims being made by Yogi Adityanath out here. He was very specific about Mahakumbh, and that's why was replying to all the allegations by Samajwadi Party.